Good day everyone and welcome back to Smart Build Guide for another episode. And here we have a question which says a 400-gram block with an initial speed of 80 centimeters per second slides along a horizontal tabletop against a friction force of 0.70 Newton. And question 1 says how far will it slide before stopping? And B said what is the coefficient of friction between the block and the tabletop? Those are the two questions we have, and we need to find the distance. That's as for A, and the occupation of friction, which is mu, for question number or question B. So we check the formula that we're going to use. What is the formula that will give us our variable, that's the distance? And let's say maybe if we have the formula which that's third equation of motion, we say v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now we get the distance. So we need to make s the subject of the formula by making s the subject of the formula. S is equal to v square minus u square over 2a. So we only have the initial velocity which is given, which is 80 centimeters per second, but we don't have a. So we move to find a within the formula of force, which says force is equal to ma, because we already have the mass, even though the mass in gram, and we need to convert it to kilogram, and also the initial velocity is in centimeter, and we need to convert it to meter per second, and velocity, which is the u, is equal to 80 centimeter per second. By converting to meter per second, we divide by 100, which is equal to 0.8 meter per second. 0.8 meter per second. And this is our u, and also mass, which is m, is equal to, we divide by 1000, that's 400 gram by 1000, and m is equal to 0.4 kilogram, and this is m. And we already have force, which is the against force, that's negative force, because it is acting against the friction, so it is negative force. So F is equal to 0.7, which is equal to mass, and mass is 0.4 kilogram, multiplied by A, and we make A the subject of the formula. Therefore A is equal to minus 0.7 over 0.4. And if you press it well in your calculator, you get A is equal to minus 1.75 meter per second squared. This is our A. So we will go back to our formula and to calculate the distance for A and A. Therefore S is equal to v square minus u square 1 over 2a, and the final velocity is 0. Then we say 0 minus 0 square minus u square, which is 0.8 square over 2 multiplied by minus 1.75 meter per second square. This is our variables. Then we say S is equal to minus 0.64 over 2 times to minus 1.75 meter per second square, and S is equal to minus 0.64 meter square per second squared over minus 3.5 meter per second squared. Second squared go with second squared, and meter go with 1 meter here, and s is equal to negative go with negative, and we are left with 0.64 over 3.5. And if you proceed when your calculator, you get 0.18 meter. So this is the distance. Now we are done with one part of the question. We move to the next part, which is B part. And the B part of the question says to find mu, which is the coefficient of friction. And the coefficient of friction we denote it by using mu is equal to frictional force over normal force, and we're already given frictional force as 0.7 meter over normal force, which is mg. We already have the mass, which is 0.4 kilogram multiplied by mg, which is 9.89. That's the g as constant, 9.89, and mu is equal to 0.18. This is the coefficient of friction. And thank you for watching. If you have a question, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you.